Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Tango application on your device if it is not working as properly as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're facing some trouble with the Tango application and you are not able to use it properly, is to see whether the application is updated to the latest version or not. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box and type in Tango and start your search. Once you find the Tango application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this to install the latest updates. Tap on this button and wait until you once again see the open button, and then you can open it up and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't work, then you can long press on the Tango application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. From this page, first of all, stop the application by tapping on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK. You can now scroll down and tap on Storage and you will see the Clear Data button. Tap on this button and then tap on it Delete, which will clear all of your user data for the Tango app. Once this process is completed, also make sure to clear the cache from the bottom right option, and once this step is completed, you can go back and try opening up the Tango app once again, and you will be asked to log back into your account. After logging in, you will see that all of these issues has been fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Tango application issues if it is not working properly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.